Okay, guys, John Q. Public back with Central Illinois Accountability, and I am back at the Fried Green Tomatoes Festival here in beautiful Iroquois, Illinois. It is approximately 12:45 p.m. Saturday, August 16, 2025. 89 humid and hazy degrees, and this is part two of the walk around car show. I'm going to try to get through it all in this next part here, guys. I know there's a lot, but and I know some music. I know a couple of the musicians that are playing here later. So I figured I'd stop and see them. How they are. Now the back windows roll down too. Huge back windows. Talk about air conditioning. Three spokes. See, that's the toolbox, right? Lunchbox. Here's the cockpit. Obviously, this Jim has done some work on it. I like this. I always think of the Bonnie and Clyde era, in a car like this. Either that or you're running moonshine somewhere. Kansas City, Kansas. Wow. Nice. Got some nice newer things there on the inside. Mod cons, they call them. Well, this is a total resto mod. All the stitching right there and that beautiful red carpeting. Oh, digital dash. I like it. Let's see if we can get close to that for you guys. Look at that. That's nice. And then right there, that silver, that billet aluminum is probably the air vent. So it does have, it's like power windows. Maybe that's for the locks. Nice looking engine bay. Yeah, it does have air. Okay. And you got this gorgeous beast here. Like I said, guys, I'm going to try to get through these cars a little faster this time around. Hello. Just look at how much room you had back there. Easily 4 or 5 people, adults, 6 with the bench. Yes, sir. Love this. Very nice paint job, too. Very nice paint on this guy. There's your cockpit. Pretty cool. Everything right there. Look how huge that steering wheel is, guys. We got a Fireflight DeSoto. Ooh. You don't see too many. Look at the grounding system right there. Oh my. It's an 8-cylinder. Looks like it's got air. I think this may be the first one I've seen. The shifter, it's a 3-speed. Actually 2-speed. Drive and low. And that's it. And then park and reverse. Wow, even more room back here than even that Bel Air. Very nice trunk. Very nice trunk indeed. And now we got an Oldsmobile. like it when they have the engine bay open. It's a nice car, convertible. Almost like the one from Back to the Future, where Biff slides into the manure truck.
True.
Right? I mean, it does. This might be.
Start to migrate. So. I know.
And I know you.
Already an hour ago, bro.
All right. But here, back to this one here. Look at that cockpit, man. That's when a car was a car. Love these old cars. Love these. So there's a cockpit on this one. SS 396, 350 horsepower, 72 Mustang. Maybe. That's kind of hard to know. 351. Wow. Very nice. Just a cockpit view on that guy. Now, see, of course, no room back there, but that's what you expect from a Mustang.
How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
It was.
So let's get this truck. It's in good shape and everything. A little bit of chrome on there. Nice vinyl. Right. Yeah, I'm back, guys, and this is one of my, if not the, all-time favorite Corvette ever. '67 Corvette Stingray. If you look at the emblem, it's 2 words. Stingray. I'm sure most of you know '63 was the only year for the split rear window. So those are the most sought after, but I like this one because it was the last year of this body style. They made this style in 4 years. Here's the cockpit view. And here's the other one. Interesting, the sideways tape deck. Amazing. And again, to see, it says Stingray. 2 words. Here's a cockpit view. Quick starter motor, air cleaner cover, all the leaves and junk out. Oh, very nice examples. There you go. It's sparkling. Could be a kit car. There we go. Just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Right.
All right, guys. I hope you can hear me out there. We want to thank everybody for coming to the car show today. Let me sign 50-50. NASCARs, everyone do it all. Okay.
Did you put it together?
Blue tickets.
No, you bought it. You okay.
Blue tickets.
Sorry? Okay. Nice. Sweet.
$142.
Almost looks like the Excalibur kind of deal on it, yeah. Love the molded front fenders. That always, intrigued me.
Blue ticket 083962.
Alright, we got one of these guys. Sounds like they're having a raffle. Charger. There we go, guys. This was the original Gibbs car, Chargers. Oh, this one's an automatic. It's okay. Very nice. Ooh, nice rims. Oh, well. This is yours? Very nice. I love the color.
We got blue tickets. Don't get your blue tickets. $25 Casey's gas card. 083617.
Not a lot of room in back, but you're not.
3617. Yeah.
Very nice example. The paint is really in good shape. If you can get that, guys, but on the highway, that paint is really,
Another
really
blue ticket.
gorgeous.
83801. 801. Another gas card. Oh, it's here in the tent.
I like the louvers. That's sexy.
Wait a minute. This guy brings rolls and rolls of tickets. I know. We got to double check this shit. That doesn't look
Well,
like
that's
the
the
same blue here. Like
passenger.
You'll be in there.
What's that?
Get in there.
All right, cool. Thank you.
these are blue. We got other blue.
Could those tires get any wider? Okay, hold on here, guys. Hold your seat. I can sit down.
77.
Oh my goodness!
Innovation.
Wow, here you go.
I mean, they closed it off.
Here's look at the paddles. Shit, wow, I can't even get far enough away. Very nice, guys. This is too cool. All right, guys, moving on here.
A couple blocks away.
Let's see where else I can go.
I was always like,
Oh yeah, I was gonna go this way.
rolled over and
Right. I like the cover. Here's the cockpit. It's nice.
I could have called Doug roll because you know how much I got on that.
Like that cover. It's nice. Seals up nice. She would open the hood to see what's under there. I'm not going to say the name of this one, guys. You can see it for yourself. I don't want to get banned. Cool stuff. Cool stuff.
Hello, everybody.
Steering wheel comes off. Love it.
Give away the gas cards now and whatever else I got left. Bear with me. I'm not real good at this talking in the mic stuff. Bear with me.
Very nice.
This is a red ticket.
Look at the door handles on the inside. 50 counts. Nice.
Red ticket.
Very nice.
2742. 2742.
All right. You're fine. Love those big fender wells, man. Look at those small butt box. Big enough for a pair of gloves. That's where the term came from, guys.
2833.
Yeah, interesting. Hard closes. Looks like a lot of it's original. I mean, been reclaimed, obviously, but no big deal there. This looks like it's a Survivor. There's our inside. So that young man with the black Corvette tossed, gave him all my info. And he's gonna, when he sees it, he's gonna post it to his Instagram. Cockpit view, very classic Chevy for the time. But the trunk, God, you could fit 10 dead bodies in here. Gosh.
2840. 28.
Beautiful
40.
color. There you go. Yeah, I may have been guilty of that once or twice in my life. Very nice. All right, let's go see this guy here. Another one of my favorite colors from the 50s. (1938), actually. But it's got modern stuff in here.
2770.
So it's 38.
2770.
See, yeah, this trunk has 2 suitcases, maybe 3. Here you go. There we go. Nice cockpit. Ooh, cheeseburger and fries, Coke, oh, ketchup, mustard, cake. Nice motor. All right. Now we have a pop-up laser camper. Well, check that out. That's pretty cool. An all-in-one deal.
2772.
Man, that thing will definitely go off-road in there. Cockpit. Inline 6. Don't see many of those.
Last call.
Look
2772.
how long. This is a 2-door, guys. Look how long that car is. Just amazing. There we go. Okay. Very nice. Dual antennas. There's your cockpit view there, guys. Very nice. Hello.
Hi.
2779.
New 5.0 GT. Very sleek. Nice tires.
2779.
Again, not a lot of room. Yeah. So what Ford did with these, again, with the newer turn signals, they're sequential. They don't all 3 blink at the same time. You know, it's like from the inside to the outside of the car, depending on which way you're going. You know. And here's an older one. Trying to compare front ends. Seats. Convertible, yes. Glass top. There's a cockpit view. So here we go. This nice. Caballero. I may have seen this one at a different show. Looks familiar. There's our cockpit. All right. Nice. Very nice. I like that. Here's the back, and that's how you lift up the handles. It was in one shot, not like now. You know. Here we go.
2735.
All right. 57 Chevy 150 305. 2-door. 700 R4 tranny. It's nicely done. New digital stuff as far as dash goes, but everything else is nice. Very nice. And we've got the Super Sport here. This is nice. 327. Kind of like that color combo. It's a little different. Almost a champagne over light champagne, Chardonnay or something weird. This guy. They got a phone in there. Just in case somebody calls. Nice big trunk. Love it. 66.
Oh. I'm walking through the car for Mom and Dad.
All right.
2783.
ZZ Top style.
Your mom and dad are out there in this heat.
All right. I love the two-tone. Oh. Nice. Mannequin's farting. Wow, so they actually cut the firewall for the...
2743.
Here's our cockpit on this guy. Ford Deluxe. It's got newer hand door handles. They retrofitted those in there. Same thing with the steering column. It's got a newer steering column.
2735.
Here's the cockpit view. Newer gauges. Like I said. Nice stitching job on that trunk. That's nice. Look at this. It's fine. That's really nice. A little tall. Nice flames.
2734.
This looks like an old phone company truck.
I got 3 of them.
28:30.
Almost looks like it was distressed on purpose.
Last call, 28:30.
Wow. Solid tires. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Jordan, he wins.
That's what burnt Chicago down.
I think he cheats too.
So Leary's cow. He's got red rollers.
That's nice.
You drive it pretty often? Yeah, I drive it locally. You know, like here, a trailer down here. I'm in Bolingbrook, so yeah, it was about an hour and 45-minute drive this morning. In this? No, in the trailer. Okay. Trailer, yeah.
They're pretty brave.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nowadays.
The Model T I would have tried because you can get parts. This I don't know. I mean, it's buildings. One of them. Yes.
Georgia board you couldn't buy.
As much as I know you better. As much as you
This
wipe on
baby.
your car, I figured I ain't got one of those.
I'll talk to this guy.
Hope this may be the one. Yep. So this is going to be it, guys.
27:38. 27:38.
Let's look all original. Fury 3. Right. Okay, guys. Well, I think that's going to do it here from the car show. So this is John Q. Public for Central Ileana Accountability. Please, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. All those things are definitely going to help my channel. Hit that notification bell also if you would. And so from beautiful Iroquois, Illinois, at the Fried Green Tomatoes Festival. This is John Q. Public saying,
27:84.
adios, guys.